What's going on, everybody? Thomas here from ROA Off-Road in South Carolina. Guys, I have a unit that I want you to check out. Today we are viewing the new IBEX 2026 model, the 25RLSS. And as you see, double doors. Front room is a bedroom, rear is going to be your living area. Has a nice long awning that covers up both doors here. If you see, you do have your outdoor table with your outdoor cooking, again, underneath the awning with a nice light strip for at night. And if you also see, you have two outdoor speakers controlled by a radio right inside. Tankless water heater, so as long as you have propane and water, you're going to have hot water. Also, speaking of hot water, right by the door here, you do have an outdoor shower with hot and cold water to spray off your feet, spray off your steps, whatever you might need to spray off. This one's going to come with your Black Canyon edition. You're going to have your beast mode independent suspension with your 400 watts of solar, 2000 watt inverter, a water filter system, and a MaxxAir roof vent cover for your bathroom area. Guys, this unit is awesome. It has everything you need to go out and get camping. We're going to take a hop on right inside. These nice solid steps, guys. In the rear, you do have your dinette with some nice lights over it with overhead storage. You do have outlets that's ran to that inverter. You have a nice pantry area right behind the dinette. Twisting around to your theater seating. Yes, theater seating. These are going to recline out. And you're going to have some nice table trays here with cup holders in case you want to sit right across from the TV, eat your dinner, do whatever you may need. Nice counter space here in your kitchen. Plenty of storage. Plenty of storage under the sink. Plenty of storage here. Going to have nice overhead storage as well with your Furrion microwave. Fridge right across from your kitchen area. One of my favorite places in this camper is the middle walk-through bathroom. Nice huge shower, toilet, porcelain toilet. Nice kitchen sink in the corner here. It gives you plenty of space to walk through here, access the shower, access your toilet. Here's the view from your front bedroom. Yes, front bedroom, right up in the front. You have your nice queen mattress. Drawers underneath, drawers on the side, cabinets on the side, drawers up top. And then you have some counter space in your back corners. Then you have your nice big front window. All these are going to have your blackout shades on all your windows, so you can really help hold that heat out. Nice slow rolling back up. Guys, this is a perfect coach for a couple. Maybe if you do have somebody extra sleeping with you, you can put the dinette down into a bed area. Fully enclosed underbelly with heating pads on your tanks, and you're going to have that ducted heat to that underbelly to help keep all your water lines and your tanks warm during your winter times. You're going to have a full pass-through storage compartment up front. You're going to have ease of access to all of your dumps, low point drains, all easily accessible. Right by the door here, you are going to have all your switches. So all your switches are going to be found in one space. You do have your speaker controller here. Not really a radio. It does Bluetooth to your phone. You have your zone A and zone B for interior and exterior speakers. Awning, extend and retract interior lights, porch light, awning lights, and your slide room in and out for travel. Guys, this is the 2026 model. Again, IBEX. This is the 25RLSS. Plenty of options, plenty of standard features. It's a great camper to get out and go camping. Guys, if you want to become a roamer, reach out to me right here at ROA Off-Road in South Carolina. Give me a call right up here. Guys, I look forward to helping you get out and enjoy some adventures.